Alright guys, a little update about the car. Because I didn't want to wait for the dealer, I went online from Z1 Motorsports. I got some the fucking pipes and shit for both passenger and driver side.
Anyways, forget what he talking about. Y'all go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you mess with the video, whatever, leave a comment, leave a like if you mess with the video. If you didn't mess with the video, leave a comment, leave a like, stay tuned, cause I got some more stuff coming with the car or whatever, I guess. I mean, I don't know, you just gonna have to stay tuned to find out. But yeah, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for your kid, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, fuck with that nigga.
We didn't fit it all like we really say. But yeah, enough said. I don't really got to get into too much talking and shit. I'll see y'all when I go and work on it. That's very, very bad. That is not, it's not good at all. Because it's a spark plug. It's supposed to produce a spark. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just know that's not good. I just know that's not good. I don't know how I know, but I just know that's not good. Under 20,000 on it. So I was gonna get an engine. Try to, at least.
It's the same thing that I'm doing that I did on the last video, so I'm just gonna fast forward through it, so enjoy, I guess.
Okay, so now I'll be showing y'all how to put on the Z1 PCV valve tube. You don't know what PCV valve stands for? It stands for positive crank ventilation. I think. Google it. I don't know. I don't know if this shit fits on, but it fit on this side fine. So then again, this one is smaller, so it might not even fit. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna have to do.
I was about to suggest.
All right, it's great. It's great. Move. I would prefer it to go like that.
Mom want to go like that.
On both of them.
That doesn't even look natural.
No, it doesn't. That's why. I just did it. Try to do it both ways to see. All right. So I just showed y'all how to put it on. It's real easy, real simple. Reuse your V clamps. Use your zip tie. Plenty of car people use zip ties, mechanics and shit. It's easy. I don't know if this is like heat friendly. Fuck it, I don't know if it's heat friendly. So I just reuse the clamp because this engine gets dumb hot, like dumb stupid hot. So yeah, it's real easy, real simple. Looks good too. I did that so I could try. Well, it's self-explanatory, so I'm trying to make it as tight as possible if I can.
So now we about to call some people to see, like, basically what I can do. I'm gonna have her call people because I don't like talking. So, all right, so. Ooh. Okay, so she's getting it handled, like putting in her notes or something, so she doesn't forget. So it's a. He said it's most likely a valve or valve leak or gasket leak or whatever it's called. So I'm gonna take it to them because I don't know what to do with this. So obviously I'm gonna take it somewhere where I can get it fixed. Hopefully it's not too much. My stuff getting wet, so let's hurry up.
You already did it.
The last one. Yeah, that one. Okay, another update on the car. That oil I found in a spark plug well could be the thing. Could have like a gasket leak or O-ring. I'm going to take it to a shop because that is beyond my capabilities and my knowledge. So I'm just gonna take it to a shop. I probably could work on it by myself, but I'm just not comfortable with it. All right, so I called a wrecker. Supposed to be there at 7:30. Yeah, we just gonna try to get that hoe to a shop. I think I'm going to Firestone. I don't remember where I was going to fix because it might just be an O-ring and the spark plug, or it might be the whole spark plug gasket set. So we'll see. Yeah. I forgot to record when I got to the stop because that nigga had me heated. I told him what the problem was. Long story short, the dude tried to tell me I ain't know what I was talking about. I ain't about to go and let y'all listen to this whole rambling mumbo jumbo. He basically did, what a regular mechanic does and tries to say the customer doesn't know what he's talking about. Basically called back later on, which I'm gonna let that clip play and say exactly what I told him what was the problem was. So yeah, short, they just called me probably like 30 minutes ago and stuff, and it's exactly what the hell I was talking about. Like, god damn, I already knew what the problem was. I just need y'all to fix it. But whatever, I just went about this how they run their business. It's how they get paid. Go ahead, let y'all whatever. But yeah, I'll be updating y'all if I remember about the car, and hopefully it'll start this time around. So. Alright, we're on our way to get the car now. I had to stop by. Some place, so my mom came and clutched and helped me out. I'm getting it out the shop, so we're on our way to get it right now. We walking and shit. Obviously we walking. Yeah, got that in front. Anyways, yeah, we ain't too far from there. It's a pretty nice walk. It's a decent walk. It ain't too bad. Yeah. Alright, I'll see y'all when I get there. So we just got to the shop. There go my baby right there. Shit, so I handle some business. So yeah. Everything goes smooth though. Alright, see y'all in a minute.
I'm sorry, in person. Amber. And I got a back tail lighter as well. What's your make and model of this? You're all set.
Thank you. I'm going.
Thank you.
Alright. with my baby. So yeah, I came out of pocket. Sorry, the last clip, my freaking phone stopped recording. Didn't even know. But yeah, I came out of pocket and stuff. So, but don't let that deter y'all from working on you guys yourself. It's pretty. I tell you, it's more satisfying knowing that you did it yourself than you sending it to a shop, knowing that you fixed up your car yourself, rather than sending it to a shop. It's more satisfying, in my opinion. I know I sent it to a shop, but I'm satisfied that I fixed my spark plugs. You know, that's all that matters to me. First time doing that shit. You know, I did it off the scrape. But yeah, you know, I ran into some issues. But yeah, stay tuned, I guess, or whatever. I'll be uploading whenever I feel like it, type stuff. But yeah, this is not, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do, you know, some yeah to the car, you know. So I'm gonna, yeah, all right, peace, yeah.